last class we have learned about the different unit of measurement, that centimeter and gram and milliliter are the smaller unit, and then kg, kilometer, liter, these are the bigger unit. That all things we have learned. Today we are going to learn the conversion. Okay? Means if the length is given in the centimeter and anyone is asking what will be the meter, you have to convert into a meter. And if the length or distance is given in kilometer and anyone is asking you please say what the distance in centimeter, then you have to convert into in centimeter. So today we will learn how to convert one unit to another unit. Before that, this already I have learned because I have explained this chapter beforehand. Today we are going to take a revision only with the help of some question. So before starting revision, let's recall what you have learned. You have learned this 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, okay? But there is no question for this conversion. Okay, in your class there is no question, but you should know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have seen in the ruler also. You have seen in the scale, ruler. Here there is written 0 and then here it is 1 centimeter and between there is a 10 equal division. So 1 division is equal to 1 millimeter, okay? And then 10 division will be equal to 1 centimeter. This is your scale, okay? So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Then 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay? K means 30. K means 1000 only. Okay? K stand for 1000. All time K stand for 1000. So here it is kilometer, so it is 1000 meter. Here it is 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. These things you have to know before doing the problem. Okay? And one more thing you should know, that when we are converting the smaller unit into a bigger unit, we are dividing. Okay, what we are doing? We are dividing by this only. Okay, and when we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we are multiplying. What we are doing? We are multiplying by these only, by 100 or 1000, whatever. Okay, if I have to convert meter into centimeter, I have to multiply by 100. Okay. And when I have to convert centimeter into meter, I have to divide by 100. So, what we are taking here, what the factor is here? 100. Okay. Either we will divide by 100 or we will multiply by 100. Now, when we have to convert this kilometer into meter, this is bigger unit kilometer and meter is smaller than kilometer. So, we have to multiply by 1000. So, here is the what is the factor here? 1000. So we have to multiply by 1000, and if we have to convert this meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Now again here, when we have to convert gram into kg, what we have to do? We have to divide by what? 1000 only, okay? And when we have to convert this kg into gram, we have to multiply by 1000. Now here, when we are going to convert milliliter into liter, we have to divide by 1000, and when we are converting meter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000. So, please remember, when we are going to convert bigger to smaller, what we have to do? We have to multiply, okay? Because this bigger unit is converting into smaller unit. So, number should be more. So, we have to multiply, okay? And when we are converting this smaller unit into bigger unit, now unit is bigger, so number should be less. So we have to divide here. Okay? Understood now? Now let's practice some question related to this conversion. So here is the question of some simple type of conversion, okay? Because the numbers is given in 0 only, okay? So what we have learned, when we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply, okay? That only we have learned now. Because here it is bigger unit, here is the smaller unit. So number should be more here. More means multiplication. If unit is smaller, then number should be more. If unit is bigger, then number should be less. Okay? Because it is equal only. So here we have to multiply. And what is the factor between meter and centimeter? That was 100 only. So here we have to multiply by 100. Okay? We have to multiply 2 by 100. And children, when you are multiplying any number by 100, you have learned in multiplication that simply we are writing the number and we are putting 20 just right of it. Okay? Simply I have written the number and then I will count number of 0 here. There is 2 zeros, I will put here 2 zeros. Okay? Already we have learned in the chapter of multiplication. So here it will be 200 centimeter. Now here it is given centimeter. Now we have to convert into meter. Okay? Here we have to convert into meter, means bigger unit, means we have to divide. Smaller to bigger, that means we have to divide this number. Because this number should be less. Because now unit is big, so number should be small. Okay? If unit is less, number should be big. And if unit is big, then number should be small. So here we have to divide this number, then it will become small. This 400 will become small now. So what factor we will divide here? 100 only. Because in meter and centimeter we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we have to divide by 100. And children, when we are dividing any number by 100, just we are removing the number of zeros. Here is 2 0 and we are dividing by 100, which is having 2 zeros, so we will remove the 2 0 from here. Okay? So here it will be only 4. How many zeros? I have to divide the number with 100, means 100 is having 2 0 in the right hand of 1. So I have to remove 2 0 from this number. So simply we have removed 2 0. So it is 4 meter. Okay? Again here, smaller, bigger. So number should be small here. Okay, number is big. So here it should be small. Small means what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay? And when we are dividing any number by 1000, what we are doing? We have to remove 30 because 1000 is having 30. So we can count how many 1000 is having. 1, 2, 3. So when we are dividing any number by 1000, simply we have to remove this 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here it will be 50. Now here also we have to multiply because kg is a bigger unit and this is smaller unit. So we have to multiply here by the 1000. And simply multiplying means only putting 3 zeros because 1000 is having 3 zeros. I have to multiply by 1000. So here I will put 3 zeros. So this much. Milliliter to liter. We have to divide because it is a smaller unit and it is a bigger unit. So we have to divide this number 6000 by 1000. And dividing means removing number of zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. We will remove here 3 0, 1, 2, 3. So here it will be 6 liter. Okay. And then 4 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 4 liter is equal to, here it is liter, bigger unit and this is smaller unit. So we have to multiply here by 1000. Okay, we will multiply with 1000 and it will be 4000 milliliter. Very simple now. Only we have to multiply and we have to divide. When we are multiplying, simply we are adding 2 0 in the right hand side of the number, and when we are dividing, we are removing the 3 zeros or 2 zeros from the right hand side of the number. That only we are doing, and simply we are converting here. Okay children, you please practice in your copy. Now children, here is some question that you have to convert into a smaller unit only, centimeter, meter, gram and milliliter, but here it is given in a mixed form. Not only it is we have to convert the centimeter, there is centimeter is also given. Okay, the length is given in meter and centimeter both. The length is given in kilometer and meter both. And here it is given weight in kg and gram both, and here liter and milliliter both. Okay. So for this type of problem children, only we have to convert meter, because 10 centimeter is already converted into centimeter. No need to do with this 10 centimeter, 100 meter, 30 gram or 420. Okay. So after converting this to centimeter, we will add this centimeter to that centimeter. Okay. So here I am going to solve here. Solution. Okay. 3 meter, 10 centimeter. We can write as a 3 meter plus 10 centimeter. Okay. Now only we will convert this meter. 3 meter, what we are going to do? We have to multiply here by 100. So 3 will become 300. Because when we are multiplying, we are adding 2 zeros now. So here it will be 20 because we have to multiply by 100. So here it is 300 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Now you know the addition of 300 plus 10, what it will be? 300 plus 10, it will be 310. We know already. So here it will be 310 centimeter. That is question number 1. We have completed. Okay. Now here we are taking this question number 2. 3 kilometer, 100 meter, we have to convert it to meter. Okay, 3 kilometer, 100 meter, we can write as a 3 kilometer plus 100 meter. 100 meter is already in meter, so no need to do anything with this 100 meter. Only we will convert this kilometer into meter, and then we will add both the meter. Okay. So for converting 3 kilometer into meter, what we are doing? We are multiplying by 1000, and multiplying by 1000 is adding 30 in the right hand side of the number. So it will be 3000 meter plus 100 meter. Now you know the addition. 3000 plus 100, what it will be? 3100. 3100 meter. So second question also we have solved. Same, I think you can do this C and D by yourself. But look it here. That is question number solution C we are doing here. Here again we will do same 7 kg 30 gram. We can write separately 7 kg plus 30 gram. Okay. Now only we have to convert this kg into gram. So we have to multiply by 1000. That means we have to put 30 in the right hand side of it, and then 30. So it will be 7030 grams. 7000, no 100 is there, simply 30 grams. So like that we have converted. Now take this D number also. How will you? Simply 6 liter 420 ml. We can write as a 6 liter plus 420 ml. Only we have to convert this liter into milliliter, and for converting liter into milliliter we have to multiply by 1000. That means we will put 30 in the right hand side, and now we will add both the milliliters. You will get here 6000 plus 420 milliliter is equal to 120 milliliter. So like that you can do the conversion. Children, this type of question already I have told you to solve by a two different way. Okay. Today I am going to solve it by only one way. Another way was that we have to divide this number, the centimeter, because when we are converting it into the meter, we are dividing only. So we will divide this number by 100, and what the quotient will come, that will be the meter, and what the remainder will come, that will be the centimeter. Similarly, here we will divide by 1000, and what the quotient will come, that will be kilometer, what the remainder will come, that will be the meter. Okay, that already we have discussed in the last earlier class. Okay, today we are going to solve by second method only, what that also I have taught you already. So here is the solution A. We are going to start with solution A. Now children, here it is given 570 centimeter. Because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so we can divide this number, okay, by 100 together and rest together. How many 100 is there? There is, in the 100 place, what the number is there? 5 now. So there is 500. So we will write here 500 first, and then rest the number afterwards. Okay. So we can write this, we can express this number as a 500 centimeter or 70 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. We can express now. Now we are knowing that when we have to convert this centimeter into meter, simply we have to divide by 100. That means we have to remove 2 zeros. So here we have removed 2 zeros. It will become 5 meter and plus 70 centimeter. And together we can write here 5 meter 70 centimeter. Okay. Now second question again we are doing like this only. 9. So this meter, children, we can express in a two part with a plus sign. We know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1000 we will write separately. Here how many thousand is there? 9000. So 9000 we have written here. And then after 9000 what is left here? 10. Okay. So 10 meter. We can write this number, we can express this number as 9000 plus 10 meter. Now when we are converting this meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. That means we have to remove 3 zeros. So this 9000 meter will become 9 kilometer plus 10 meter, and all together we can write here 9 kilometer 10 meter. Okay. Now here is the solution C. Same things, same process we have to do here. 1254 gram we can express as a two number 1000 together, 1000 gram together, and 254 gram together. Okay. This 1000 gram we can remove 3 zeros, it will convert into kg, 1 kg plus 254 gram, and we can write like that 1 kg 254 gram. Okay. Then solution D. What you will do here? Here it is given 7524 milliliter. Again we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So here we are expressing like that 7000 milliliter plus 524 milliliter. Okay. Now 7000 milliliter we can write 7 liter plus 524 milliliter, and that will be 7 liter 524 milliliter. And in every question, children, you have to write in the side like this, in the bracket you have to write it here, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So that's why we have written 9000 meters equal to 9 kg. Here also you can write like this only, because like that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Like that only everywhere you have to write, children. Okay, inside the bracket. So children, keep on practicing. Thank you. Have a nice day.